What's up, guys? It's VLOG+. So I am at my local Mexican market, Cardenas or Cardenas or whatever the fuck, however you fucking say it. Used to be mi, I think it was like mi pueblo, but yeah, they changed the name like some time ago. But anyways, I'm here to do the shopping list for my chilaquiles, homemade, so that you guys could see that I can actually make them. And then second of all, I just want to put out that not everybody makes their chilaquiles the same, because everybody comes from a different part of Mexico where we either make them really crunchy, very dry, very soupy, very wet, however you want to call them. But I like mine's a little saucy but some dryness to them, and it's like a casserole, like that's what I like. And everyone talks shit about it's just a soupy mess how you made them. Well, bitch, you don't gotta fucking eat them. I just gave your fat ass a fucking option to check out how I would make mine. But we're gonna go in here and we're gonna do the shopping real quick so I can show you guys what you guys need to get. And if you guys don't have like a local Mexican mart in your area, that's cool. I mean, you could probably get this in your grocery store, but I can also think of alternatives and things. So let's check it out. It's not that hard, I promise. Cheese that you're gonna get about depending on how spicy you want it. I want mine's kind of mild, so let's do about 3. Stupid talking to myself on camera. People are looking at me. So I'm gonna get tortillas. And because my family goes through them like crazy, we're gonna get the big pack. My mom was gonna be like, why you actually buy tortillas? Because I don't buy tortillas. And to kick it off, I need soda. But then I don't want to get soda here because it's hella dead ass expensive, because of people who voted for the soda tax. They voted for like 10% added on there. So let's not do that. Cheese. I already have Monterey Jack cheese at home, and I need to get sour cream, but I don't want to get Mexican sour cream because it's too salty for my taste. So let's get, I don't know, let's go find a regular sour cream. It took me about 10 minutes because I was looking for good avocados and they didn't have any. So I'm kind of bummed, but I'm not. At the same time, it's like whatever. I think I have avocados at home. So with the tortillas and all the vegetables and the sour cream that I spent, it was about $7.91 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so here's everything I got. And they charge us for bags here, just so y'all know. So don't be hyped to live in California so bad. They charge us for bags. They put a 10% upcharge on sugary drinks, including juices, sodas and stuff. Excuse me, so it's not that great here in California. Look, it's not even sunny. It's cloudy, it's muggy, it's foggy, it's all that good shit. So let's go home and make these chilaquiles. What I failed to mention here is that you need to boil the jalapenos and tomato in a blender. And then after you blend them together, after they're boiled, you go ahead and you add your onion and you blend that too. and you add a can of tomato sauce. I put a little bit of water in there just to get the rest of it out of the can, and I add it to the already blended mixture with the onion. This gives it of a sweet, smoky taste. And this is the time where you would taste it to see if it's mild, if you need to add salt or whatever other spices you feel is necessary. So just mix it really well so that all the flavors are going to be incorporated. Now, after you let the sauce and tortillas simmer, after you fry the tortillas, what you're gonna go ahead and do is add your cheese, and then you cover it up and you leave it on low for a few minutes. And then once you see the cheese is melted and all the sauce is dried out and you see that it's softening up, then it's ready to serve and eat. So that's the finished product. I didn't feel like cutting up tomatoes or nothing, but yeah, I like mine. Like I said, I'm very moist, as you can hear. And these are like, the tortillas were a little bit drier, so I did use a lot more chile in this. But yeah, this is how I like mine. If you don't like them, kiss my ass. Keep it moving and keep it pushing. You guys could choke on all your chilaquiles with that dry ass shit that y'all be eating. While me, I will be enjoying my slop on a plate. Okay, guys, thank you guys for requesting this. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Love you guys mucho. Have a great day. Have a great night. Love you guys. Bye.